Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamahyam Tadatmi Swapadantikam Vandegam Shri Gurum Shri Utapatakamelam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sagitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakanvidam Cha Ke Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Taptakanjana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Gari Priye नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा दंडवत प्रणाम
Hare Krishna Mataji, Sadhu
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna Mataji,
Hare
pranams.
Krishna. I welcome all dear devotees on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru, Kulai Temple, and on behalf of Namanishta Prabhu. Hare Krishna. So, before others join, just we will see the fundamental. That is, all of you know the Mangalacharan, right? Why do you have to Mangalacharan is known as invocation prayer. Whom we are invoking the auspiciousness of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So before we do, generally, you remember before we came to ISKCON, we all would have said, whatever we used to start, Om Ganeshaya Namaha, like that we would have started, isn't it? Now we know very well who is all the Devatas, everybody, who is the source of all sources. Sri Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, isn't it? So we have to invoke. Actually, what we invoke, we are invoking the blessings of Guru, because Guru is the one who can show us the right path to go to. Guru Govinda dono khade ho. If Guru and Govind, if both are standing, kage pahu lave, whose feet you will catch. So Kabirdas says we have to catch the feet of Guru, because Guru will tell us how to reach Sri Krishna, is it not? So we have to, without Guru, we cannot even think of going near Krishna. Okay, because Krishna himself tells, I can't come directly. So what do? I send my representatives. So who are the representatives? Who have come in the parampara. Any guru and every guru cannot be guru. Gurus should have come in parampara, two condition. Guru should have come in parampara. Parampara means what? Krishna gave the, knowledge, Vedas, into Brahma's heart. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye. Adi Kavi, he was the first person. So Krishna gave that Vedas into the heart of Brahma. Brahma gave it to Narada, Narada gave it to Vedavyasa, Vedavyasa gave it to Shukadeva Goswami, like that. It came, and Vedavyasa was the first one to divide that such a big Veda. Otherwise, the Veda was one. He knew very well. In this Kali Yuga, people are not going to get time to read even, we say now, first module, second module. Like that, they may not have time even to read one Veda. So he divided them into small. Small in the sense that small itself is very big. And Rig Yajur Atharva Sama Veda, he divided into. Okay, so the Guru should have come in parampara, number one. Number two, Guru is a self-realized person. That means what? They know very well they are not this body, they are the soul. So they are self-realized, and they might have come in parampara. Okay. So Om Ajnana Timirandasya. What that is, Yesterday we saw one verse, if you all remember. Who can tell me? Yesterday I referred this verse also with some other reference. Can anyone tell me which was that verse I told? Same meaning. The Lord sitting in our heart lights the lamp of knowledge by dispelling the ignorance, darkness of ignorance. Anybody remembers? Hare Krishna. Number
Mataji,
one. Uh,
is it the Tene Brahma, that
uh,
sloka from Bhagavatam?
Yeah, that is Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye is a little different, Mataji. Krishna, I mean, that in the invocation prayer in Bhagavatam, it is said that the Lord Himself entered into the heart of Brahma and gave this knowledge. Correct? That's also there, correct. Janmadasya eto nanvayati taratas charteshva swarat tene brahma hridaya adi kavaye muhyanti yat surayah. Correct. But in Bhagavad Gita, yesterday we saw a similar verse. Om jnanati mirandasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshurun militam yena tasmai shri gurave namaha. Similar verse we saw. In,
Mataji,
uh,
Prayatu Bhadresu.
that is also from Bhagavatam, Mataji. Bhagavatam, that is
Machita,
day.
Machita Madgata
Go
Prana
ahead.
Bodha.
Machitta Madgata Prana
Machita
is the
Madgat.
process. Next.
Oh, okay,
What's the
okay.
next verse? 10.10. What is the next verse? Tesham Satatayuktanam Bhajatam Purvakam. 10.9 Machitta and 10.10 Tesham. Tesham, what is it? Satatam. These two are Abhideya, process. How to reach Krishna, how to do devotional service. If you do these two, there's a prayojana. There's a use, benefit, advantage. What is that? 10.11. Tesham mevanu kampartam aham ajnanajam tamaha. Ajnanajam tamaha. Tama is andhakar. Ajnanam is ignorance. So the Lord tells, ones who always think about me, always glorifies me, what will happen? Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam. Continuously one who worships me with priti purvakam, with lots of love. What will the Lord do? Teshamevanu kampartamagam ajnanajam tamaga. I will light the lamp of knowledge. How? Sitting in the heart of the devotee. Nashayam Atma Bhavasto Jnana Deepena Bhaswata. So Krishna tells, I light the lamp of knowledge by dispelling the ignorance of darkness. Same meaning. What is it? Ajnana Timirandasya. Guru dispels the ignorance which is dark and he lights the lamp in our heart. Okay, so this. Next one is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and all Vaishnavas, all Goswamis are worshipped here. Because if these Goswamis have not been there, we would not have got many scriptures. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came 500 years before, the same, you all might have gone to Vrindavan. It is not the same Vrindavan. 1 second, you give me, today my network already it went twice from the time of chanting. Let me log in from my mobile also. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he told all the Goswamis at the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who were the Goswamis? Rupa Sanatana, yes? Anyone knows? Hare Krishna. Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, both were brothers. Then their cousin brother, Jiva Goswami. Then there is a beautiful
Gopala
song.
Bhatt.
Gopala
Gopala
Bhatta.
Bhatt Course.
Yes. Then Raghunatha Bhatta. Bhatta Juga. There are two Bhatta. Raghunath Bhatta and Gopala Bhatta. And as Prabhuji said just now, Raghunath Dasa. Okay. Rupa Sanatana Jiva. Bhatta Juga. Gopala Bhatta, Raghunath Bhatta, and Dasa Raghunatha. Beautiful song is there, no? So that is these Goswami. Yes, Prabhuji. Okay. These Goswamis were told by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in their dream, where are the deities lying down? Because those days British people came and they plundered our country, especially the temples, right? So Mahaprabhu came in their dream and he told them, where was Radha,
Story is
Damodar?
Radha.
Where was Radha, Madan Mohan, Radha Govind, like that? He told everybody, where is it, what? Rohini Mataji, I am making you co-host. Just keep an eye, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yes. And yeah, okay. So like that, because so we have to pray to our Goswamis. And not only that, all Vaishnavas. It is written here, you see in the slide. Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Raghunatha Dasa Goswami, Bhatta Goswami, and Gopala Bhatta Goswami. And Mahaprabhu came with Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam, Bhaktarupa Swarupakam, Bhaktavataram Bhaktyakhyam, Namami Bhakti Shaktikam. So when Mahaprabhu came, he came with all five of them came together. Who are they? One is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. To the right of Lord Chaitanya Prabhu, you always might have seen one somebody wearing blue attire. He is Nityananda, Balram. Balram is always in blue attire. Then next to Balram is Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya, he is the only person having white beard, right?
Weird.
He was the one who cried out for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, seeing the condition during that time, 500 years before, in West Bengal. So he cried out, "Oh Krishna, when will you come? When will you, shower your mercy on these people? They all have forgotten where from they have come, where have to go. They have forgotten." When he cried out, Krishna told, "Don't worry, my time has come, very soon I will come." And then to the left of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that is Gadadhar. Gadadhar is none other than Radharani herself. Okay, though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Radharani's mood, Radharani told, "No, no, no, I will not be satisfied even if you go in my mood. I want to come and ensure that there is nothing, no, means we say no truti, not even a single fault in your service. So I want to come and ensure that she comes." Then comes Shivasacharya. Shivasacharya is none other than, actually speaking, Narada Muni. See, Nityananda Prabhu is Balram. Advaita Acharya is Shambhu and Vishnu, both Shiva, Vishnu. And Gadadhar is Radharani. Shiva Sacharya is Narada. So whenever the Lord comes, he comes with Sangopanga Upasate, Sangha, with all his in his Goloka, whoever are they, his associates, he will bring them also. Whenever the Lord takes expansion. In fact, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna, both of them were not expansion. The Lord himself, they came. Ete chamshakalapum sa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Other than all Amshakala, Krishnavataram is Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Indrarirvyakulam loke mridayanti yuge yuge. See, when there are enemies to trouble the devatas, the Lord comes. Is it not? Paritranaya sadhuna, we know very, very well, no. In order to annihilate the asuras, and in order to protect the devatas. Same thing in Chaitanya Charitamrita, in Bhagavatam it is said, Ete chanchakala pumsam, Krishna to Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna came. Why did he come? Indrarir vyakulam loke. When people trouble devatas like Indra, mridayanti yuge yuge, millennium after millennium, the Rakshasas trouble the Devatas. During that time, the Lord comes himself. Okay, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Krishna both are not expansion, they came themselves. We should know that. Okay, so this is what we say. Vandegam
Mataji,
Shri Guru. Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So, Lord Chaitanya himself is energy, or Radharani, right? That's how we say. Then again, we say Gadadhar is also Radharani.
Yeah, yes, that is what actually speaking, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to know why Radharani loves me so much, and second, what is there in me that Radharani wants to serve me so much. So he wanted to enjoy that Bhakta Rupa. That is why it is Bhaktavataram, Bhaktakyam. Bhakta Rupam he wanted to take. He didn't want to take the, what is that, Bhagavan Rupam. All other avatars are Bhagavan Rupam, isn't it? So,
Yes.
in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to come in the Bhakta Rupam, Bhaktavataram, Bhaktakyam, Namami Bhakti, Shaktikam. Okay, but Radharani did not agree to it, Prabhu. Radharani said, no, 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 no. You will not be able to take care of yourself. You will forget. You are going, he is known as Channavatara. Channa means what? Hidden form. He is coming in a hidden form. He did not want to declare to the entire world that he was Bhagavan. That is why whenever his devotees used to tell him, you are Bhagavan, he used to close his ears. So Radharani told, you are not going as a Bhagavan. If you are going as a Bhagavan, there will be people for your, they will worship your Aishwarya Bhava. They will take care of you. But you are going as a Bhakta, no. So they will not know that you are Bhagavan. So you will not be able to take care of yourself. I know you very, very well. Once you see the devotees, you go mad. You go to any extent to shower your mercy to them. So no, I want to come with you. I want to ensure. You remember in Puri, Gadadhar Pandit used to always read the Bhagavatam, and Krishna Mahaprabhu used to sit and listen. Because Radharani wants to serve him personally. Radharani knows very, very well when Krishna will be very happy when a devotee reads Bhagavatam and Krishna listens. So Radharani takes care of him so well as Gadadhar Pandit in Puri as well as in Nadia. That is West Bengal. Okay, Hare Krishna. Did I answer your question, Prabhuji? Biju
Yes,
Prabhu?
Mataji, yes,
Hare,
yes.
Hare Barabar.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Actually speaking, this is the external reason. The internal reason was something different. Internal reason, he brought all his associates, he wanted to give them pleasure. He wanted to give pleasure to Sachimata and Jagannath Mishra. So he wanted to give pleasure. As Krishna also, the external reason is Paritranaya Sadhuna. But the internal reason is to reclaim the fallen souls who are in the Sattva Guna to his abode. He wanted to give pleasure to his devotees. Like Yashodamaya enjoyed tying him, right? She felt so happy. Finally, I tied my child. Krishna was laughing at his heart. Oh, I myself got bound, but he didn't want to. He wanted to give that pleasure to Yashodamaya. So similarly here also, the Lord wanted to give pleasure to his associates. That is why in Shiva's Thakur's Angan, that is known as Bhajan Kutir. And there's a big hall in his house. There every day night, Sankirtan used to happen. They all used to assemble in the Goduli Vela until the next day morning. They used to jump and dance and sing. So this is a pleasure his associates were getting. So Mahaprabhu wanted to give this pleasure to them. That is why he came in the barb of Radharani. Hare Krishna. Okay. Then this is, what is that? Hey Krishna, Karuna Sindhu. He is Karuna Sindhu. He is the embodiment of mercy. Karuna Sindhu. Dina Bandhu Jagatpate, whoever is a Dina Bandhu means who all are his, what is that? Wholly surrendered devotees. For them, he was giving the mercy. He was the friend of the distressed. That means he was compassionate to all those who are in Manda Sumanda Matayo Manda Bhagyo Hypadritaha. This word you remember, Hypadritaha. That means in this Kali Yuga everyone is distressed. Distress, anxiety, that is the meaning of Hypadritaha. So Krishna came in this Kali Yuga as Mahaprabhu in order to give shelter to the distressed one. And he is a source of all sources, creation, and he is a master of gopis and lover of Radharani. Next one is Radharani's pranam mantra. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi. He is like a boiling gold. Pure gold, if it boils, for to see itself, pure gold will be so glittering. Is it not? But at the same time, if you boil it and you see that boiling, glittering gold, like that complexion she has, Radharani. Tapta Kanchana. Kanchan means gold. Tapta means tapna. Tapna means boiling. Gaurangi, she is a Radhe Vrindavaneshwari because she is the Rani of Vrindavan. Okay, Vrishabhanu Sute Devi. Suta means son. We say no Nanda Suta. Nanda Suta, Vasudeva Suta, we said Shachi Suta. Shachi Suta is Mahaprabhu. So that is Sute is a girl. Vrishabhanu's daughter. Pranamami Hari Priye. I pay all my obeisances unto you. So this Mangalacharan is very, very important. Before at least 3 times in a day we have to tell Mangalacharan. Okay. Thus we remember the Goswamis. So when we say Vandegam Shri Gurum Shri Yutapata Kamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha, we have to remember all the 6 Goswamis. Krishna tells no, more than me we have to pay obeisances. We have to worship. In fact, Goswamis. Krishna will be very happy. Chipram bhavati dharmatma sachva shanti nigachati. Oh kaunteya prati janigi name bhakta pranashati. Oh Arjuna, my devotee will never ever perish. If at all I give them something, some distress, why do I give? I want them to get detached from the material entanglement. Like Narada Muni yesterday I told, 5 years age, he had only one, he was dependent on only his mother. At the age of 5, the Lord took his mother also. So Narada considered it as a blessing from Lord. Oh Lord, she was only my shelter and she was only my material attachment. You know very well, if you take away that attachment also, I will surrender to you. That is why you took out, no? Immediately he ran into the forest. There he got the darshan of that Supreme Personality of Godhead also. Okay, so we have to remember our Goswamis. Okay, then we tell no, even while chanting, and every day in the morning in our Mangalarti time, 10 aparadhas we read. These aparadhas will, it is like Hatima Tadalak Kunjara Shaucha. The elephant gets into the water, has a nice bath, comes back on the seashore, again puts mud on it. It's like that only. What happened? We try our level best to eradicate all the aparadhas. But you know what happened? Knowingly or unknowingly, some aparadha or the other we will do. So what is it? Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi. The more we do, we will keep on entangle. We entangle ourselves in the 4 circle. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi. Till the time we go out of this entanglement, then only then we will be able to go to Goloka. Once we go to Goloka, we will never come back. Krishna tells, like in so many Janma Karma Cha Me Divyam Evam Yo Veti Tattvataga. Tektva, one who understands Janma Karma Cha Me Divyam. What is a Divyam? Divyam means all superior, transcendental, para, apara. Para is divyam, janma karma chami divyam. One who understands that I am the supreme, I am the superior, I am the eternal, I am the transcendental. One who understands that, they will come to me at the time of death. And once they come to me, naiti mam yeti so Arjuna. Oh Arjuna, naiti mam yeti. They will never come back to this world. Once they come back to me, Krishna tells, right? Okay, so that means, so why did we say we should not commit any aparadha? So that is why daily we have to tell this verse. Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhyaye vacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. That is, all Vaishnavas, devotees of the Lord, what do they say? They are like the desire tree. They will give whatever we want. So it doesn't mean that material, I want 2 cars, I want 1 bungalow, I want 1 farmhouse. No, they will give all transcendental, not the material, not bhautik, adhyatmic desires will be fulfilled. Okay, then comes a Panchatattva Mahamantra, the Pranam mantra that we know, that is Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Advaita Acharya Gadadhar Pandit, and she was Adi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. So Gaura came with all his associates. Last one is a Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is given in our introduction of our Bhagavad Gita book. Yes, most of you may be knowing. So tomorrow onwards, one of you can tell the Mangalacharan. Tomorrow when we start the class, any one of you can take in turn, and you can tell the Mahamantra, Hare Krishna. Now, Bhagavatam, though you have, very fast I will read and go because you all have done level 1 and level 2, etc. So if at all any doubt is there, then and there you ask me. No need to wait. Immediately you can call out Mataji. I have this doubt. Okay, Hare Krishna. So, this Bhagavad Gita is also known as Gita Upanishad. Number one, very, very important. Bhagavad Gita, as it is only we should read. Bhagavad Gita, most of the Bhagavad Gita will not have the Krishna's picture also at the top, Krishna and Arjuna. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdara, Tatra Chi Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmama. Last verse of Bhagavad Gita. But it say, wherever Krishna and Arjuna are there, victory will be there. That means what? Again, not Bhautik victory. Victory means we will be able to cross over this material ocean. Krishna told, no, 12th chapter, Tesham Aham Samudrata. I will help you to cross this ocean. So, Krishna, that is this book, as it is. See, in as it is, what is the beauty? Srila Prabhupada has given the Bhagavad Gita as it was spoken by Sri Krishna. But other people, they have given their own commentaries, So, we should read only Bhagavad Gita as it is given to us by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Bhagavad Gita, also known as Gita Upanishad. Upanishad means it's a saram of the gist, the summary of Vedas. But there is another meaning also. Upa means near. Nishad means to be seated. So we are seated near the Lord. The more we read Bhagavad Gita, we keep remembering Lord. So the Lord comes and sits near us. Like that also we can take. Right? But Gita Upanishad. As we read Bhagavad Gita, the Lord comes and sits near us. Upa, near, Nishad. Upavishta, we say no, sit down. In Sanskrit we say Upavishta, Uttishta. Upavishta, sit down, Uttishta, get up. So Upanishad is sitting near to the Lord, going nearer to the Lord. So what are Upanishad? All those Shastras which take us nearer to the Lord. Okay. So essence of Vedic knowledge, and most important Upanishad is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Many commentaries are there, but we should not read all of them. We should read only which is written by the authoritative. Who are the authorities? Well, they have Tad Vidhi Pranipatena Pariprashnena Sevayam. Tad Vidhi. One who knows the reality, constitutional position. I am not this body, I am the soul. With means to know. Vedam, why do we say Veda? Veda means a person who knows the Shastra is the Vedantist. So to know, tad vidhi. Okay, we have to know. One who knows. Okay, so Bhagavad Gita as it is. Okay, all of the other commentators Bhagavad Gita we should not study. And vital principle of Bhagavad Gita. What's the vital principle of Bhagavad Gita? Can anyone tell me? It is written. Example, if you want, 2.13. Dehinosmin yata dehe kaumaram yavanam jara. Who is going to tell Hare Krishna? All of you are awake? Haribol. Okay, then I will call out name. Hereafter, I may have to call out name, Hare Krishna. According to my alphabetical order, whichever order it is, I will call out, okay? So, what is the question now? Yes, Mataji, Rohini Mataji, go ahead.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति.
Hari Bol. So, what is the essence of this verse, Mataji? That is the first verse given by, not the first verse, first lesson given by Krishna to Arjuna. Yes, Mataji.
It describes the change of the body from young, from youth to old, and the
Exactly.
process.
Hari Hari Bol, correct Mataji. They, Asmin Yata Dehe, inside your body, I am seated. So the consciousness, the spirit, it is seated inside the body. Only then this body becomes functional, correct? So that is a consciousness. That is the main essence. So it starts from second chapter and goes till 18th chapter. Yesterday we saw, no? Oh, not in this class. In the morning Bhagavatam class, we saw 18.61. What Arjuna says, what is it? Hridaye Arjuna tishtati. Arjuna tells in the last chapter also. See, sorry, Krishna tells. Krishna, starting from second chapter and till the 18th chapter, Krishna is going on telling, I am seated in your heart from the beginning till the end. Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam, Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam. Bhutani means living entity. That Ishvara is seated in all living entities. O Arjuna, Hridayesh Chuna Dishtati. O Arjuna, I am seated in every living entity's heart. Okay, so that is Paramatma. But there is a Anuatma. Anuatma is nothing but the part and parcel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Who knows that verse? 15th chapter, 7th verse. We all are part and parcel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna. Krishna tells, you all are my part. Mamai va amsho. Mamai, my. Amsho. So 15.7, the Lord tells, Mamai va amsho.
Mamaivaamsho Jeevaloke.
Yes.
Mamaivaamsho Jeevaloke Jeeva Bhuta Sanatana Manasashthanindriyani Prakritistani Karshati.
Hari Hari Bol. Okay, so Krishna tells, you all are my part and parcel. The second part we will not see because that is all related to different topic. Okay, then taking medicine as per the direction given by the physician, not by him. Time to time. Before means before, after means after. 1/4 of the tablet. Exactly, we'll cut one tablet into 1/4 portion and then we will take, right? So why don't we follow the same thing? Krishna has given the formula, the medicine for all illness. I think tomorrow in Chennai there is one special topic. One medicine for all illness. Such a nice topic, no? What is that one medicine? Mahamantra. And so here one medicine, taking one medicine as per the direction of Bhagavad Gita, we will help us. We don't have to keep on going to the doctors and keep on changing the prescription. Life manual, Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita should be accepted as directed by the speaker. Who is the speaker of Bhagavad Gita? Lord Krishna. So we should not interpret or we should not analyze it with our own limited senses. Okay, also it is confirmed by other spiritual master, other, that means other sampradaya. We have 5 sampradayas, what are those? Anybody knows? 5 sampradaya. Hare Krishna.
4 Matane 5.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, first one.
Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya.
Okay.
Rudra Sampradaya. And P Sampradaya and Kumara Sampradaya.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. So we are in Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. Our Acharya is Ramanujacharya. Okay. So but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he gave the 5th Sampradaya. Anybody knows the 5th Sampradaya of Mahaprabhu? Hare Krishna. See, when we have to prepare for initiation and all, this is small questions may come. Very important questions. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave us the improved version of Brahma Gaudiya Madhva Sampradaya. What is that? There it is said that the Lord is, Lord is same, but at the same time different. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, we are one with the... Hari Hari Bol. Yes, Prabhuji, one more time. You tell, everybody will listen.
Achintya Veda Veda.
Chintya Achintya. Chintya one, Achintya different. But we are one with the Lord because we are the part and parcel of the Lord. Just now we saw 15.7. We are different from the Lord Why and how? In quantity. In quality, we are the same. All the qualities, like 50 qualities, Jiva Tattva have. 64 Krishna has. 50 Vishnu has. Those 4 Narayana. Vishnu or Narayana has 50. Sorry, 60. Krishna has 64. So what are these 4? Nama. What are they? 4 kalas, which Krishna has, but Narayana, Vishnu does not have.
One is
Venu.
Venu,
Venu.
one is Madhurya, Rupa.
Venu Madhuri. Venu
Venu
Madhuri or Murli Madhuri, second.
Leela Madhuri.
Rupa Madhuri. Krishna is always beautiful. Vishnu, you see, he'll be so tired. Vishnu temple, you see, he'll be lying down. Even if he stands, he'll be little sad because Vishnu's work is palan. Its work is to maintain, is it not? So he's tired of maintaining the entire universes. So whenever you see Vishnu, he will look little tired, at least in the sense, not as happy all the time smiling like Krishna. So Venu Madhuri or Murli Madhuri, Rupa Madhuri, then the Leela Madhuri. Have you ever heard Vishnu had done this Leela, that Leela? No. Krishna only does Leela. So Leela Madhuri, and the last one is Prema Madhuri. Vishnu will be always alone other than Lakshmi. Lakshmi will be doing the Pada Sevanam and Vishnu is alone. Have you ever seen Krishna's picture alone? Of course, Radha will be there, at least a peacock will be there, or else one monkey will be there, or the Gopas will be there, Gopis will be there, somebody or the other will be there with Krishna. That is known as his Prema Madhuri. Everybody loves Krishna and Krishna loves everybody. Okay, then again we come down. 56 qualities Shiva Tattva has got, but 50 qualities Jiva Tattva has got. So we all have the same 50 qualities of Krishna, but in quantity we got minute because we are Anu Atma, right? Krishna is supreme, Paramatma, big, we are smallest. That is why in quantity we vary, in quality we are the same. That is why Chintya, we are the same. Achintya, we are not the same. We are different. Like a big gold mine is there. You go to the gold mine, wow, full gold mine, you want to check their instruments, etc. You check characteristics, you derive that. Take little 1 ounce of gold from there and check that also, or take any one earring or one bangle like that, you take and check. The characteristics of gold will be same in both, but the percentage of composition will be different in smaller quantity. The percentage will be small, less, and in the larger quantity it will be more. So it is one, but at the same time different. Okay, this is generally compared by Srila Prabhupada by the we will go to that later. And so many more, like ocean, water is there. So many other examples Prabhupada has given. So also mentioned in scripture, such as what Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, Brahma Samhita. BS is Brahma Samhita. BG is Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Samhita, Srimad Bhagavatam, and all Puranas. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita should be taken as directed by Lord Krishna. What is the difference between today? I think, we will see, no problem. What is the difference between Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So Bhagavad Gita is the song of Bhagwan himself, whereas Bhagavatam is all about his leelas, his pastimes.
Hari Bol.
That's about Bhagavatam.
Yes. So Bhagavad Gita is spoken by the Lord. He himself spoke. Bhagavatam, we speak about, as Prabhuji said, all the, not only Leela, 10th canto is full and full of Leela, but other cantos you see about the devotees of the Lord. That is, Bhagavad Gita tells, Sarvadharman paritagnya mamekam sharanam raja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishami mahashucha. Krishna gave towards the end of Bhagavad Gita, come and surrender to me. Krishna did not tell how to surrender. He gave the instruction. Did he tell how to surrender? Even today, I am very frankly telling, I don't know how to surrender to him. After being in Krishna consciousness for more than 3, 4, 5 years, I do not know how to surrender. Because we try to understand Bhagavad Gita now. So we all are Kanishta Adhikaris. Bhagavatam understanding, we have to, further progress in devotion. So, as Krishna told towards the end, Krishna completed, that's the last verse of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, of Krishna. After that, what comes? Sanjaya speaks. So Krishna told at the end, come and surrender unto me. Bhagavatam. All Vaishnavas are so merciful. Vyasadeva is merciful, Suta Goswami is merciful, Shukadeva Goswami is merciful. These people are giving us Bhagavatam, how to surrender. Surrender like Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj went for only one small, that he says, no, I came for a Kalpataru, I came for a...
Kachin Vichunnam Apavadivya Ratnam.
Hari Bol, excellent. Wow, Prabhuji, that was amazing. I came for a small piece of stone.
Broken pieces of glass.
But
Diamond. Instead of
what did I get?
Diamonds.
What? No. Bhagavat Prema.
Like analogy is telling.
Yeah, correct.
Ratnam,
Yeah,
diamond. Instead of getting diamond, I'm searching for broken pieces of glasses. Like Bhagavan, material desires I'm asking for, but
yes,
Bhagavan
Hari Bol. Wonderful, wonderful, Prabhuji. So Dhruva Maharaj went for a kingdom which is larger than his great grandfather Brahma. But the moment he saw Bhagavan, he surrendered. He said, after seeing Bhagavan, he is telling, still Bhagavan is asking, what do you want, Dhruv? He says, oh my dear Lord, you are asking me what do I want? After seeing you, I don't want anything. Prahlad Maharaj also tells the same thing, no? Krishna is going on, Narasimha Bhagavan is asking, tell, you have to. And he says, if at all I have to ask you something, please give me that heart. I should not ask you anything. That is what he says. Still Bhagavan did not leave. Narasimha Bhagavan, so merciful. He is so merciful. Narasimha Bhagavan, you see, he came. He wanted to keep up the words of Brahma also. He wanted to keep up the word of Prahlad Maharaj also. Every single condition which was given by Brahma to Hiranyakashipu, he followed it. Name Bhakta Pranashyati. The word given by my devotee will never go wrong or lie. Isn't it? So he is so merciful. So same, these people, they got Bhagavat Prema. Is it not? So that is how to surrender. Prahlad Maharaj surrendered under all adversities. So Bhagavatam tells us how to surrender. Krishna gives instructions in Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavatam tells us how to follow those instructions so that we can follow that most important instruction, which is surrender unto me. Once we surrender, moksha ichchami mahashucha. You don't have to worry. Mahashucha, don't worry. I will take care of all the sins which you have done in so many births, 84 lakh yonis also. So beautiful it is, right? So that is why, Bhagavad Gita, we have to relish because Krishna has spoken. The more we read Bhagavad Gita, we are getting an opportunity to repeat Krishna's words. But Bhagavatam, all our acharyas are helping us to follow the instructions given by Krishna. See, Krishna's instruction, just now I told it has to come in parampara. Evam parampara apraptam imam rajashiyo vitugu sakalena mahata yogo nashta parantapa. So he is telling, that Bhagavad Gita, I had given long back to sun god, Vivaswan. He gave it to his son Manu, Manu gave it to his son Ikshvaku. So then only Arjuna asked, how is it possible? Standing in front of me and you are telling long back you gave, then only the beautiful verse Krishna told, no, I have been there for ages. You will not be able to understand my, like you have forgotten whatever has happened, but I am not, what is it, beautiful. Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo vidugo sakalena mahata yogo nashta parantapa. As the time passes, all this knowledge what I gave, it got eroded. So Krishna keeps coming. Yuge, millennium after millennium, Krishna comes to give us. He is so merciful because he has given this material world. We still misuse, but he knew this very well. If I don't tell them how to use it, they will misuse. That is why he gave us the Shastras, how to use it, the manual he gave, but still, we are not able to read them, we are not able to follow them. That is why Krishna comes again and again, again and again. Don't worry, I ultimately have to take you back. So I don't mind coming again and again, re-establish. Lord Krishna has descended to re-establish the messages which he has given. Bhagavad Gita generally talks about transcendentalist. Very carefully you listen here. We all may be under the impression that this jnani yogis are not transcendentalists. No, Krishna tells very clearly. He tells, no, in which verse? Anybody knows? 7th chapter, I gave you hint. Krishna tells these people are transcendentalists. They will one day or the other come to me. What is that? Hare Krishna. 7th chapter, Krishna tells in one verse, 4 types of people never surrender to me, and 4 types of people always surrender to me. 4 types I told, so you should get the verse now. Chaturvida. Who wants to tell Chaturvida? Hare Krishna. They never come to me. Namam dushkritino. They will never come to me. These 4 people. Maya apagrita, naradama, asuram bhava mashrita, muda. These 4 will not come. Who 4 will come to me? Next verse. Chaturvida bhajante mam jana sukriti norchuna. Then. Artho, jignasu, artharthi, jnani. Okay? So, jnani came. So, jnanis also, one day or the other they will go. Because these jnanis know Brahman. Why are they jnanis? They know very well, I am not this body, I am the soul, but the soul belongs to the Brahman effulgence. This is what they know. So, slowly, gradually, through the acharyas, Krishna keeps sending acharyas, no? They will take care of them. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. Krishna tells, no, I will give them that understanding with which they will be able to come to me. So, jnani are in the Brahman realization. Yogis are in their siddhi. They realize Paramatma, Jnani and Yogi. Okay, Bhaktas. Then Bhaktas will definitely. Bhaktas are Bhagavan realization. So 3 kinds of realization. What is it? Brahmeti,
Meti
Paramatmeti,
Paramatmeti
Bhagavaniti.
Bhagavaniti Shabdati.
Ete chamchakalapum no, not that. Vadanti tat vidattattvam yajnanam advayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti shabdate. And so jnani is Brahman, yogi is Paramatma, Bhagavan. That is Bhagavan realization is the bhaktas, the devotees. Okay, Hare Krishna. So they are also transcendentalists. Jnanis because they are not in the material platform in the sense they know one day or the other they have to go above the material world. Okay, okay, that's and all we will see very carefully once like get into the chapter. Srimad Bhagavad Gita establishes the relation with the Lord. What is this relation? We can have relation with the Lord in 5 ways. What are they? 5 ways of relation. Madhurya Rasa. Madhurya is highest. We will start with Dasya. Dasya is the lowest. Okay? Yeah, even before that, Shanta. Even before Dasya, Shanta is actually speaking, it is the, what do you call, we can say it is not the Jivas. Okay, so that means the trees, flutes, the morpunk, the clothes which the Krishna is wearing, the jewelry Krishna what is wearing, that is in the Shantarasa. So who takes up the Shantarasa? Balram. Balram takes care of the Shantarasa. Balram is there in all 5 rasas. But Balram is only there in Shantarasa. Okay? Nobody else in Shantarasa. Then comes the Dasya Rasa. Hanumanji, we know always he's a servant. Then
Mataji,
friend.
that particular thing is not clear. When you say passive state, Shantarasa, it is trees, flutes, and all. Correct.
Yes, Prabhuji,
So how is
because
Balram?
they will not personally have the relation with the Lord. Personally. That is why it is passive. Like Hanuman was able to serve Krishna personally.
That I got it, but how is that only Balram is in that state?
Yes, Balram takes care of all that belongs to Krishna.
Paraphernalia of the Lord, not Balram.
Yes,
Okay.
all that is the clothes which Krishna is wearing. Without Balram's permission, no cloth can touch Krishna. So these all are, indirectly, Balram will be. Like we say, no, Radha Rani takes care of the bhoga. Every day she makes new bhoga. Nobody else is allowed to offer bhoga to Krishna. We settle, no? So that is in Goloka, what is that? Balram. Balram takes care of all Krishna's ornaments and whatever the paraphernalia Krishna uses indirectly. Okay, Prabhu? Not
Yes, ma'am.
directly. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then comes Dasirasa, Hanuman, Sakyarasa, okay, and Arjuna, and parental, we know Mother Yashoda, and conjugal love, Madhurya Rasa. That is only the gopis, nobody else. Okay, Gopas also we can say here in Sakyarasa. Hare Krishna. Okay, next. So, yeah, okay. Swarupa Siddhi. What is our Swarupa? What is our Swarupa? What is our constitutional position?
जीवेर स्वरूप होय कृष्णेर नित्यदास.
Hari Hari Bol. Jivera Swarupa. Our Swarupa is a Dasa. That means we all are servants. Somewhere or the other, you see, now also you'll be doing that only. We'll be serving Maya. If we do not serve Krishna, we'll be serving Maya. We are working in the office, we serve our boss. We go to, like a bank people you take, they serve everybody who go to their bank, who comes for loan, they will serve, who comes to deposit, they will serve, who comes to withdraw, they will serve. Is it not? So they keep serving. But where? It is in the material world we are serving. Why are we serving in the material world? That is our original nature. That is our original position. Dasa Dasa Dasano Dasa Gopi Brita Padakamalayo Dasa Dasano Dasa. That's a beautiful verse, Yeah, that verses you can note down if you want. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.80. You can note down that. Beautiful verse that is. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Sanatan Goswami, who are you? That means Sanatan Goswami did not tell I am Sanatan Goswami. What he told, Nagam Vipro Nachanarat Patir Napi Vaishno Na Shudra. I am not the Vaishnava, I am Vaishya, I am not the Shudra. Nagam Varni Nacha Grahapatir. I am not the leader of any Graha also. That means I am not a, what is it? Brahmacharya Grahastha. I am not a Grahastha also. And finally he says, Gopi Bhartu Pada Kamalayo.
Kamalayo, Dasa, 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 Dasa.
Hari Hari Bol. So this verse is Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.80. Beautiful verse that is. But we all say what? Who are you? If you ask, we will say, I am the executive director of so-and-so company, this, that, that. That is why in Nectar of Devotion, there's a wonderful verse. Bhakti, Uttama Bhakti. What is the definition of Uttama Bhakti? Sarvopadi Vinirmuktam. Upadi, title, leave all the titles. Anybody knows that verse? Uttama Bhakti definition. Sarva Upadi Vinirmuktam Tatparatvena Nirmalam. Give up all these titles. I am the grandmother, grandfather, mother-in-law, father-in-law, father, mother, all the titles. Sarva Upadi Vinirmuktam Tatparatvena Nirmalam. And we have to come to this purest relation with only Krishna. How can we attain that? Rishikena, with our senses. Kena means with. Kalena, with the plow. With the plow, that our Balram, he's always with the plow, right? So Rishikena, with all our senses. Rishikesha Sevanam. Serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhaktir Uttama. This is a definition of Uttama Bhakti. Okay, so that is what we have to serve. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam. Given a chance, we should be waiting to serve Krishna. How is it possible, Mataji? We have to go to office. Yeah, everything. Keep Krishna in the center. Tell in the morning, Krishna, Krishna, I want to go to office to earn because you have given me family. I have to take care of them. And I have to serve you a lot. I have to so much of service I have. For that, I need Lakshmi. So I'm going to earn to serve you. Tell that and go. That's all. And in the middle, whenever it is possible, like a traffic signal, the green light keeps coming, so like that you take a pause of red light and you think of Krishna. Till now I could work very nicely, Krishna, because of your mercy. Balam balavatam chagam kamaraja vivarjitam. 7 chapter Krishna says, I give you the strength to work. So till now I was able to work. That is because of you have given me the strength, Krishna, your strength. That's all. Right? So any one relation we have to establish. We can consider Krishna as our own child, and we can consider Krishna we as a servant to Krishna. Okay? So one who understands this, they are in the Swarupa Siddhi. Hare Krishna. Yes. Bhagavatam tells Arjuna, Bhagavad Gita, sorry, Bhagavad Gita tells how Krishna, Arjuna accepted Krishna. That after the Chatushloki, 10.8 Sambandha, 10.9 and 10 Abhideya, 10.11 Tesham Evanu Kampartha. Today in the beginning I told Aham Ajnanajam Tamaha Prayojana. That is the use of getting Krishna consciousness. Immediately after hearing the Chatushloki, 4 shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, which is equal to entire 700 sloka. Arjuna is Arjuna, so he understood the whole Bhagavad Gita. Immediately what he is saying, Arjuna is saying, Param Brahma Param Dhamma Pavitram Param Ambhavan. Hare Krishna, anyone wants to read it very fast so that there will be little conversation. Hare Krishna.
Param Brahma Param Dhamma Pavitram Paramam Bhavam Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vipum.
Agustvam Rishe Sarve.
Devarshya Naradastata Asito Devala Vyasa Swayam Shaiva Bravishime. Me.
Hari Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, with meaning translation also. Arjuna said, Arjuna said, you are the
Arjuna said, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
The ultimate about the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. All the great sages such as Narada, Asita, Devala, Vyasa confirms this truth about you. And now you yourself has declared it to me.
Yeah, why Arjuna is saying this? Because if I tell you are Vibhum, you are Param, you are Divyam, you are Shashwatam, what people will think? Oh, Krishna is Arjuna's friend. That is why wo chaplusi kar raha hai. This is what they will think, no? But he's saying, I am not telling all these things. Even the great sages like Narada, they have also said the same thing. You are Ajam, you are Adidevam, etc. Yes, Rohini Mataji, continue Mataji. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, how Bhagavad Gita should be understood.
How Bhagavad Gita should be understood. Bhagavad Gita should be taken as spirit of devotion. One should not think that he is equal to Krishna. One should not think Krishna as ordinary personality or even very great personality, because Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. One trying to study Bhagavad Gita should at least theoretically accept Krishna as Supreme Personality of Godhead. One should read Bhagavad Gita in submissive spirit, else it is very difficult to understand Bhagavad Gita because it is a great mystery. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yes, so till here we will finish, but before that, attendance is a must. So I'm just posting the attendance link today, but I would like Rohini Mataji, will you be in a position to hold the post of co-host, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. So today I am posting it, the attendance, and tomorrow onwards you can do it, Mataji. And attendance will be posted in the last 10 minutes only. So today I have posted the attendance, and we will have a meeting, Rohini Mataji. You, me, and Nandita Mataji will have a small 5 minutes meeting, and we will discuss the role of co-host. Okay, Mataji, is it okay with you?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hari
Krishna.
Bol, Hare Krishna. So we will see, okay, purpose also, I think we can finish purpose. First we saw how Bhagavad Gita should be understood. It should be understood very, very submissively. It's very important quality of a Shrota. Shrota means what? One who hears, whether whichever scripture we hear, we have to hear very, very submissively. Tatvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevayam upateshanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshinaha. Tattvadarshi. Tattvadarshis are the acharyas. How? Pariprashnena sevayam. Humbly we have to ask question to them and we have to understand. So the submissiveness, inquisitiveness, submissiveness. These two are extremely important for a Shrota, one who wants to hear Shastra. Anybody else who wants to read purpose of Bhagavad Gita, we will end with that. By then others
Mataji,
can complete the
this form
attendance.
what I've shared is sadhana form.
Oh, you
Sadhana
said.
Sheikh
Sorry,
Mataji.
sorry. Sadhana form also, you kindly copy it somewhere because every week you will have to uh, fill up sadhana form. So kindly somewhere all of you very safely save it and every week which day we will tell and you have to fill up the sadhana form also. Now I have shared the attendance also. Hare Krishna. Yeah. The latest one which I have shared is the attendance. So who wants to read? Deliver mankind from nuisance. Purpose of Bhagavad Gita is what? We have to, 12th chapter, 5th or 7th verse, I think. Tesham aham samudrata. You all have done first level, right? You remember that PPT wherein the Jiva is, trying to come up, swimming very hard, got into the ocean, not able to come up. Lord is coming from up and he is giving that one finger. You remember that picture? So Lord came from the Goloka, giving his one finger to the Jiva, who is hard, very, very hardly, trying very hard to somehow exist because he has drowned in this material ocean. So we should know unless and until one reads Bhagavad Gita, it's not possible for any of them to cross this material ocean. Tesham, Tesham aham samudrata, mrityu samsara sagarat. Bhagavan says that this material world is a mrityu samsara. Again and again we are born and there are 6 stages. We will discuss some other day. And all those stages, Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi also will come. 4. So we have to get rid of this. Every man is full of difficulty and anxiety in the material world. That 1.1.10 Bhagavatam 1.1.10 tells about people's characteristics in the Kali Yuga. Prana Alpa Yushu Yuga Sabhya Kalavasmin Yuge Janaga. Very Alpa Yushu. They keep fighting with each other. Manda Sumanda Matayo. They have very, very dull headed. Manda Bhagya, ill fated, Hipadrataha. All the time they are in distress. Okay. So we are put into Asat. That is the work of eternal. Sat is, we are put into Asat by the Sat. The eternal Lord gives us this Maya, illusion, which is temporary. The world is real but temporary. Like the impersonalists say, that they say, Mayavadis, they say world is not real at all. But that's wrong. I am talking to you. You are there in front of me. We see everything. So how can it be unreal world? World is real, but it is temporary. After so many sufferings of inquiries, why suffering? Wants a solution? Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, these are the solution. But how do we have to read it? With jnasa, inquisitiveness. Okay, so for such a sincere student, Bhagavad Gita is spoken. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhayeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantakoti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. Namanishta Prabhu ki jai. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, devotees. You
Hare
can
Krishna.
ask any doubt
Hare Krishna.
if you have.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare.
Sadhana.
1 hour is not sufficient. No, you feel like so much is there. But at least we have started. Yes, Rohini Mataji, go ahead.
Mataji, that 10.11 is Prayojana and 10.10 is also Prayojana.
No, 10.10 is Abhideya Mataji. 10.10 says continuously we have to worship the Lord. Right? And the second line is, you are correct. That is, Dadami Buddhi, that can be considered as Prayojana also. Because if you continuously worship the Lord, He may give you that understanding with which you will be able to go. So this can be considered either Abhideya or Prayojana. Abhideya means what? The Lord gives you that understanding with which you work. That means it is Abhideya. The Lord gives you that understanding to reach Him. That means it is Prayojana. Ninth is full Abhideya. 8th is full Sambandha, 9th is full Abhideya, 10th, first line is Abhideya, second line is Prayojana, 11th is full Prayojana. Wonderful Mataji, I'm so glad. I mean, you read in between line, correct. That is Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam can be taken as Abhideya also, Prayojana also. Okay? Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Bol. Anybody else having any doubt? Hare Krishna. Okay. We'll go slowly initially because it's like foundation. Once we understand the foundation, we can build it. See, you have to understand me. I need to understand you. Okay. So we'll end the meeting with everyone's permission. Hare Krishna.